Well, hello everybody. Look at the blue skies at the Dollar General. And you want to know what's going on, because there's a running glitch. And I'm about to go in and check it out. And we're going to show you some instant savings deals. So come on in and let's take a field trip. Please like and share the video on your way in. And if you're not one of our crazy friends, well, welcome. Hey, I'm Jenny, aka the Crazy Country Couponer, and we're on a field trip. That's one of the things we do here. We're not your usual couponing channel. We're your usual hang out with your best gal friend channel. Or guy friend. But we all like the same thing, and that's saving money and helping each other. So, come on in and join us and become one of our crazy friends. Hit that red subscription button below. Do it right now. That way you won't forget it and you won't miss any of our deals, steals, our glitches, our free stuff, our awesome information, our field trips, and our great vibes that we have here almost every day. Guys, make sure you check out the comments always, because our friends leave other deals. They have information, and if you have a question, feel free to put it in the comments. That way we'll know. And okay, guys, before I forget, because we're about to go in the store, and I know I will forget once we get in the store, t-shirts are still coming. I'm picking up a couple more designs, and then we're going to do a choice. We're going to have to pick a t-shirt. But I'm still gathering up a couple more designs for you. All right. That was number one information I didn't want to forget, because I've forgotten it the last two videos. So we're about to go in the store, and we're going to check out some instant saving laundry deals, some instant savings shampoo conditioner deals, and hopefully that glitch. So come on, let's roll, and I'll see you in the store. Okay, well, limited product, guys. I only found one of the $2 Palmolives and zero $2 Ajax. So that's the lavender 40 ounce, regular $3.50. Don't know if I want to try to do this deal here, since I did find one, or try to go to another store. So I think we're just going to try to do the deal like I have it here, because let me explain. Buy two, get one free. Okay, if you buy two of these and you get one free, you're spending $4. Okay, and then you're going to get $1.50 off of one of those, so you're going to be spending $2.50 for three of these, if they have them. Okay, but like I said, run deal. You might want to run, because the product is going to be limited. So this is what we're going to try to roll with. We're going to roll with the two Ajaxes. They're $4 a piece. Actually $4.15. And they got $4 on the thing, so we might ask them to adjust it down, because they've had plenty of time to adjust the prices on their shelves. So that's what we're going to do. And it's buy two, get one free. And with any luck, when I put this one up first, it will take the $4 off and not this one off. Okay? But we won't know until we try it. So that's what we're going to try. So next, let's go see what else we've got some instant savings for. Right back this way. Now, if you haven't done the Airwick deal and you're going to do it for Saturday, keep in mind there might not be any Airwick warmers available, because, I mean, they're free. And again, they're gone. So stuff like that, you might want to, kind of keep an eye out. Ooh, look, we got new plug-ins, guys. Look at this. We've got that orange blossom plug-in. Cool. We've got the rose one in a plug-in. Nice. And a coconut and a fresh lemon. Man, lavender's not one of my faves. We got linen sky, we got fresh watermelon, and we've got berry bramble and serene vanilla sunrise. Oh, I want to check that one out. Whew, $10. Hopefully they'll have some better coupons. Alright, next cheap stuff that we can get. Look up there. We get $1.75 Febreze. And it can be whatever scent that you like. I think there's something else up there besides Gain. Febreze. Fabric. It doesn't say. It just says extra strength. It doesn't say what it is. So for $1.75, you actually get Febreze, guys. Now those I'm going to save for my 5 off 25 because they make great fillers. Okay, let's talk about this 3-day sale. It's going on now, started today. We got this Cozy Place scented oil warmer for $1, regularly $3. And it looks like they're all gone. Okay. Look at the shelves on this store. This store shelves is pretty much empty. Okay, here's your instant savings deal on your Arm & Hammer. Save $5 when you spend $20 on Arm & Hammer. And if you use this and you like to stock up, really easy 5 off 25 deal right there. You're going to save $10 on $25. 2 of those is $25, and you're going to save $10. So you'll be spending $15 on 2. Now that's a winner deal right there. Winner deal if you use Arm & Hammer. Now, of course, we've got our for sale deal and Purex and Snuggle, and I'll whip you up some scenarios with a variety of different things for that. And if you're not aware, we also have PG free money when you spend $40 on PG products. Things like this right here. And use these big coupons. And get it said and done. You're going to spend $40 out of pocket, but you're going to have a lot of product. Alright. See? Got lots of Gain coupons. More free money, guys. Instant savings, $6 when you, or $2 instant savings when you spend $6. And look, really kind of simple to do. If you like these products, and let me tell you, some of these products are really nice. Let me tell you. Is it this one? Yes. This one right here. This is very nice. So $5.35, you pick that up. It says Believe Beauty Skin Products, and I had to pick up a mask, and you'll save $2. I don't see anything that is $6, so you'll have to pick up 2 different products for sure. And their wipes are pretty good now. I do use these wipes. These wipes are nice. So if you were to get a wipe and a hydrating sheet mask, you would be at $7, and you'd be saving 2, so $5 for 2 items. Look, guys, orange ticket on this Olay with roses, notes of rose water, 10%. That means on the 10th, May 10th, when we have our clearance event, this is going to be half off additionally. So right now, it is $7 and change. We've got there we go. We've got a $10 Dove Men's Ginormous bottle, okay? And it's body and face wash. you have a $3 off coupon. That's going to make it $7, okay? There we go. Sorry about that. That's going to make that $7. You're going to add that to one of these $7.50. Okay? That's your two product. You're at $17. You're going to be getting $6 off of this $17.50 purchase. So you'll be paying $11 and change. Basically, you're going to be getting this thing here for free. Yep. It can be this one. What else we got for $7.50? It could be any one of these. The cherry and chia milk. Ooh, that really sounds good. And even this glowing Dove, but I guarantee you this Dove right here is on the clearance. Just because of the bottle. Because they updated. Okay. So, yes, look at this. Now, I want you to look. It's working on this $5 body wash. So, two of these is $10. You get $3 off. You'll be paying $7 for two of these $5 body washes. Alright, or you could get the $5 and the $10 for men's. You're at $15, you're getting $6 off, you'll be paying $9 for both. So that deal right there is a winner chicken dinner all day long. And we have all different varieties. Make sure you scan and make sure it's attaching, okay? Dove men's, $4.50. Oop. Let's see. Look, you're at $9.50 with the Dove's men's soap and the Dove body wash. And you're going to get $3 instant savings off. So $4.50 for both of those. Now that's a winner deal. We're going to pick that up. The next thing that you can do with that instant savings is this is attaching. This is $8 for two shampoo conditioners. Dove shampoo and conditioner usually runs $6.50, something like that, but you get two for $8. Okay? And then you compare this with the Dove's Men body wash for $10 with that 3 off. So you will be at $18. You'll be getting $6 off. You'll be paying $12 for all 3 products. Or you could do this for $8 and the men's soap for $4.50. You'd be paying $12.50. You'll be getting 3 off. You'll be paying $9 out of pocket for 2 of these. A shampoo and conditioner and a men's Dove soap. So that's another option. So many options with the instant savings that you can just do by itself. Holy moly, looky here, guys. A new Dove, $4. Triple Bond Care, $4. Repair signs of extreme damage. Wow. You're going to get both of these for $5. Dove shampoo, 2 for $5. I mean, you really cannot beat that. Do you need to stock up on deodorant? This is going with the instant savings. $10 for 2 of these. You get 4 deodorants for $7, guys. Yeah, 4 Dove deodorants for $7. And if you want to do something different, pick up the 5. Pick up the $5 package, okay? And then a $5.50 Dove spray. You're at $10.50, $7.50 out of pocket, and you've got a drive spray, and you've got 2 solids. So 3 products that you get for $7.50. Winner chicken dinner, and they're all Dove, guys. There's so many options that you can do with these instant savings because you only have to purchase 2, and you can mix and match and use coupons. And with the men's, let's see, a 5 Do 2 of the 5s for the men. Or do 1 men's and 1 woman's. I mean, there's so many options when it comes to that instant savings deal. For every 2, you're going to save $3. Okay, just remember, if you're doing it with a 5 off 25 scenario, for every instant savings set that you get, you got to go over your $25 mark by $3. Alright, let's look at the Big Soleil $4 coupon. You've got a Big Soleil product for $5.50, guys. That's $1.50 for razors. And like I said, so many deals. We got price breaks on our Schwarzkopf hair colors. Regular $12.50. They're going for $10. So, wow. All kinds of awesome deals this week at the DG, guys. Not to mention, LA Colors, price break, special pricing, 75 cents. You got teenagers. This is a good thing for teenagers. Okay, guys, that's it for this video. Stay tuned. We got food video coming up next, and you know you want to know because they got all kinds of price drops going on right now, and you can take advantage of them on Saturday and save an additional $5 on your grocery bill. So I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for stopping by. Don't forget to leave me that 3-word comment that YouTube likes so much. Watch those ads for me. It's so important. And share. We got to get more crazy friends so we can help more people. I love you bunches. And blessings.